Hello, this is Matt from Roundstone Van Centre. Today we get this 2016 Ford Transit single cab tipper. Now this is available from as little as £97 per week and is ULEZ compliant, has a Bluetooth radio, comes with a spare key, is a factory body, has electric windows and 123 brake horsepower. Let's take a look in the front. Now up front, as you can see, you've got 3 seats, got your Bluetooth radio there and your 6-speed gear stick there. Now this is the factory body tipper body. We will show you a demonstration of the tipper after the walk round to show you that it's fully functional. And lastly, I'll show you on the passenger side. Let's take a look underneath the bonnet. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the tipper. So we're now sat inside this 2016 Ford Transit tipper. Going to take it on a quick test drive, so let's start her up. As you can see, starts first time, no issues or weird sounds. Let's go. Now, as I said earlier, this is a 6-speed van. 123 brake horsepower, so it's got a really nice acceleration and it shifts through the gears really nicely as well. Has no issues getting up to a good speed either. Now, as we approach the roundabout, I'm going to do a quick brake test. The brakes are really nice and responsive. As you can see, the steering is really good and responsive as well. That's going to be it for the 2016 Ford Transit single cab tipper. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video and I hope you have a nice day.